Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to play UFC 5 on your PC in 2025. I'll be covering the official options and the possible workarounds. So, as of 2025, UFC 5 is only available on PlayStation and Xbox consoles. There is no PC versions via Steam, Epic, or EA apps. So if you have Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, you can play it via the cloud on PC, and here is how you can basically do it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and come on xbox.com. You can also search for Xbox Cloud Gaming. Over here, you need to simply sign in your Xbox account. If UFC 5 is in the Game Pass library, you can click on the play option. It streams directly to your computer with minimal delay. You might see the tutorials about the console emulators, but trust me, in 2025, UFC 5 doesn't actually reliably on the emulators, and it won't support any of the online plays. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.